as an entrepreneur. You may be asking why. Well, I will dress up as an entrepreneur because I would love to set my own business in the future, and I would love to be one of the most successful women in the world. Thank you for listening to my speech. Have a wonderful day, everyone.
I will prepare you all to select that lasso Halloween costume. That lasso costume is an easy costume to pull off. Making him is a great choice to emulate for Halloween. When it comes to finding a costume based on a popular character, it's good to have a lot of options to choose from, such as this DIY look consisting as pairs of snap casual tracksuit, Adidas visor, a wizard, aviator sunglasses, and fake mustache. For something more authentic, this AFC Richmond windbreaker looks exactly like the one worn on the series, but it's a bit of prettier than the tracksuit. Thank you for listening my speech. Bye!
Halloween. Halloween is a day where we celebrate on the 31st of October. Halloween is the tradition originated with the ancient Celtic festival of Samhain, when people would light bonfires and wear costumes to ward off the ghosts. The custom of trick or treating on Halloween may come from the belief that supernatural beings or the souls of the dead roamed the earth at this time and needed to be appeased. Traditionally, orange and black are the main colors used in Halloween house decorations. If I can wear any Halloween costumes, I would wear a vampire costume because it looks cool. Thanks for listening to my speech. Have a wonderful day and happy Halloween. Bye.